Hello, good morning. Welcome to Chef Nasir's kitchen. Dear viewers and subscribers, today we are making a famous fast food recipe, crispy chicken fillet burger. This is a super delicious recipe that you can easily make at home or add to your food cart menu. If you like my video, please subscribe and like. Enjoy cooking.
Let's start today's recipe. Here, we have 3 pieces of chicken breast fillet. Each fillet should be cut into 2 pieces and lightly pounded with a hammer to flatten. Take a bowl and add 1 egg, garlic powder, ginger powder, chili flakes, red chili powder, cumin powder, and coriander powder. Then, add 2 tablespoons of chili sauce and mix all the ingredients well. Now, add 4 tablespoons of white flour and 1 tablespoon of corn flour. Mix the flour well, then coat the chicken breast pieces evenly in the mixture. If your mixture is too thick, add a little water to make a smooth batter-like sauce. Coat all the chicken pieces evenly with the flour mixture, then set them aside. Take 1 packet of cornflakes and lightly crush them. Put them in a dish. Coat the chicken pieces in the crushed cornflakes, and keep them. Lightly toast the burger buns on a non-stick pan until golden brown. Take a bowl and add 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup, 1/2 tablespoon of chili garlic sauce, and 1 teaspoon of mustard paste. Then, add a pinch of oregano, 1/4 teaspoon of ginger garlic powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Mix well until smooth. Your burger sauce is now ready to use. Heat oil in a frying pan over medium heat, then fry the chicken for 5 to 6 minutes until golden and crispy. Remove and place it on a plate. Spread burger sauce on the bottom half of the bun. Add fresh green lettuce, cucumber, and tomato slices, then place the crispy fried chicken fillet on top. Add a slice of cheese, then drizzle some more mayonnaise or burger sauce. Finally, place the top bun over it. Now, our super delicious crispy chicken fillet burger is ready. Enjoy with your friends and family. Wow! Look at this, our crispy chicken fillet burger looks so yummy and delicious. Enjoy it with your friends and family, and make them happy. Thanks for watching. If you liked this food video, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Thank you.